mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Hello, friends. So it's a Wednesday. This is the second day on this car. Just as I suspected, that is not mold over there, but we'll cover this one first and then we'll move over there. I just poured some more cleaning solution on here, and my goal was to at least allow it to disperse, and it's doing just that. Anyway, it's actually cleaning itself as I pour it. So I got the steamer going. So we're gonna get the steamer working. Gonna clean all of these surfaces. Make sure we get that clean. Clean all of that. Get that all, ugh, it's nasty. I mean, all you have to do is look at it and see that's just gross. This is exactly as I suspected. This is not mold. This was the crunchy crap. It's just crunchy. Just a bunch of buildup and disgusting crap. Anyway, a lot of it's loose, so I'm gonna pull it out of there. And today I get to use the extractor. You know, a lot of people say I need to get one. I got one. I just use dry extraction, and it works better for me. We're gonna get the steamer on all of this, get these seats cleaned up, get all these door jambs covered, and we'll see where we stand on time when I'm done. I've got the steamer. We're gonna see if we can't clean that carpet up.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper.
you. A world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems turning into love song. When you press me to you, a world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday word seems
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
Well, friends, you want to talk about a detailer not knowing what the hell she's talking about? That would be me. We're not talking about mold. We're talking about a seat that's peeling. Lord have mercy. So maybe restoring this seat would be in the works later, but with a dog that's going to be in this seat, what's the point? But it's looking good. It is clean. Got that cleaned up. Looks much, much better. And the car is already smelling much, much better. Now, I need to run the vacuum in here, but I'm not going to do that until the floors are dry. And I have been allowing the floors to just sit in the air and dry. Got the back of the seat cleaned and the B-pillar there. So this back section is done with the exception of the headliner. The headliner is not done, but there's a lot to it. I need to glue that down, and then I need to run the polisher on it. Got that looking good. It cleaned up pretty well, I mean, considering. And I am going to put protection on everything after I'm done. Alrighty, so let's give you a look. This it did not have mold on it. It would have still been black. There's just no way to get that out. I've never been able to get it out. But it is stained, heavily stained. So it is what it is. That one is looking good. And this one actually cleaned up a lot better than I expected. And I let it soak. I got that cleaned off. There's nothing we can do about that staining, but man, they are clean. So tomorrow, we're gonna tackle this. And tonight, I'm actually going to pull as much trash out as I can. That is terrible. It's amazing to me the mess people make. Definitely a mess in there. So I will get a bag and pull out as much trash as I can. And tomorrow, this is going to be the project. I'm not sure that the floor will be ready tomorrow. However, we're sure gonna shoot for it. If I can pull the trash, I might be able to get some cleaner mixed up and put it in there, but I don't have time to vacuum. I just want to say my arms, my legs, and my hands are like jello right now. But I got to keep going until we get it all done. I hope you enjoy these before and afters. And guess what? We will see you tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next one, peace.